Bhai, chairperson of the MGRO, Dr. Ajam from Nelson Mandela Foundation, Indian businesses here. I can see the Exim Bank, I can see Kirloskar and CRI Pump, my colleague from the consulate, and many other renowned Indian community organizations head. Of course, Fakir Bhai here, he's contemplating his next book to write. And we are celebrating not only the 75 years of India's independence, but also 152 second birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It doesn't sound good to speak after the Honorable High Commissioner, but he always loves us and he's always very positive about how we develop the Tolstoy farm. High Commissioner has given us the vision, and then I want to kind of put some color into that vision. I want to recall that when in the school days when I used to read about the Tolstoy farm, a farm full of green, full of trees, and then full of families, houses used to occur into my mind. And when I saw the picture that, okay, there was like so many huts and then cottages and so many fruit trees and an orchard, fruit orchard in the Tolstoy farm. So with that image, I came to Tolstoy farm and I saw nothing. I was very, very sad to see that there was nothing, but with the effort of Mohan Bhai, and I think our little more effort, we are able to build this boundary, we are able to plant so many trees, we are able to place in a generator, we are able to install the 24-hour security system, we are able to make a little bit of road, and we are able to secure a lot of bricks to build the Tolstoy farm. They have the paper in place, they have all the documents in place, and they have the master plan also. I want to ask, the father of the nation, he has no house. His first house was Tolstoy farm. Where are the sons of India? Where are the Indian community? Why we are not building a house which Bapu always wanted to live in? I want to appeal to Indian community, appeal to Indian businesses here. Let us do a charity for the most noble cause you can think of in India and in South Africa. And let us recreate the Tolstoy farm with the full glory the Bapu wanted to see. That will be the real tribute to Bapu. That will be the path Bapu has chosen for us, and we will walk on that. We have already made a plan. We are creating some awareness into the people. We are taking a Gandhian trail, and this is like not only spread the Gandhian message, but also to remind ourselves that what Bapu did for India and what Bapu did for South Africa. What was the transformation took on the way. So we are taking a Gandhian trail, which is right tomorrow, and by this time we'll be like on our way to Durban. We are crossing Pietermaritzburg, Ladysmith, Walcrest, and we are going to Phoenix Farm through Dundee. So we'll meet from here Bapu went to Phoenix Farm. So we'll meet Ila Gandhi and then meet Indian community. I feel that this should generate little more awareness and little more concern how we can make the Tolstoy farm into real glory. I come back. I'll not go back and then stop here. I'll get back to you and I'll beg. I'll beg for money, I'll beg for resources, and I have no shame in that, because Bapu taught us that please do the fundraising through the community, and community can bring lot of change. All the changes are brought by the community. So Indian community, Indian businesses, please be aware that we are coming back to you with a great cause that you have to build the Tolstoy farm in the coming 1 or 2 years. I want to see before I go to India. I want to see before High Commissioner go to India. So that is the place we should take today, and then we should rebuild the Tolstoy farm. That will be the real tribute of the Bapu. There will be list of activities coming up to celebrate the 75th years of India's independence. We are doing a week-long activities. Apart from the Gandhian trail, on 3rd and 4th, we are doing a seminar on 6th, and we are also doing a Sangeet Sandhya on 6th. 7th, we are watching the making of Mahatma in the Killarney Mall, in association with the SABC, the prime channel of TV channel of South Africa. And 8th, we are sending the messages from High Commissioner, from the other dignitaries of Gandhian importance, Ila Gandhi and all, to Government of India. I'm also very glad, sorry I'm taking a little bit more time, but I just wanted to tell you the good thing that Johannesburg and Durban, Pretoria and Cape Town, the whole South Africa is amongst the 10 missions in the world, which is chosen by Government of India this year to showcase the special program on Bapu. So all this program we are doing today is going the part of the India's non-violent day celebration and celebration of Bapu's birthday, the 2nd October. So feel proud on that, and then please be tuned with us for the rest of the program. Thank you, God bless you, and happy non-violence day. Thank you.